Hello guys, and welcome back to OtherBuys. Today we've got part 2 of the Stormsure flexible repair adhesive review. So in part 1 we sealed my football boots because they were leaking, and I wanted to give you an update on how it's going. So it's been that long. I've only played once in the rain, proper rain, and I wanted to wait until then to give you a proper review. So I played in damp conditions and it's been really good. Like this one doesn't leak at all. It's filled in, done well now, done really well. But this one, it's just leaking a little bit now. So I suppose the take home summary of this is, yeah, it'll repair it. It'll stop it leaking. But with things like football boots, where you've got a lot of wear, it will wear away and break down. So you will have to top it up. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to top it up. So I've kept this in the freezer as per the recommendations. So let's see if it works. Just took it out. When I took it out initially, it was all clear. Not clear, white. Now it's gone clear as it's cooled down. Cooled down? Warmed up, because it was super cold. Warmed up. So we're just going to add a little layer. See, it's all coming out. Around the seal. This was the main bit. Get a good chunk in there. Let's move it over. Might as well do the whole seal. Well, I'm here. Yeah, this stuff's really good. It's done well with the football boots considering the amount of times I've played in them. Kept them waterproof. Just needs a little top up. So great if you've got any shoes that are leaking. Or any clothes. You can use this stuff. And you also do tape. Or if you're sealing like a rip, you do patches. It's good stuff. Right. That's that one. Let that dry. And the second one. Now, this one was alright, but while I'm here, top it up, eh? I could really do with getting some new ones, but I don't want to. I like these. They're good. They're not completely broken, so why waste my money? I'm sure there's some people watching who think the same. Right. Awesome. Right, I think that'll do. So I think the next step for these, see how they are. Maybe we'll get a part 3. See how this update goes. And then I'm going to stick some leather balm on, some Renapur, to get them back in nice condition. If you like this video, guys, please like, follow and subscribe. Check us out on all the other socials. Still loads are left in this tub, so I'm going to pop it back in the freezer. There's going to be a link to this product in the description if you want to get some from Amazon. So yeah, check us out on all the other socials. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Threads, Lemonade. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe on YouTube. Thanks very much, guys. Leave some comments if you got any questions. See you next time.